Kevin. Hi Raquel. What food and drinks do you have in your kitchen right now? Raquel. I had some eggs, some apples, and a lot of water, but I don't have any vegetables or milk. Kevin. And what do you want to buy for lunch today? Raquel. I want to buy some tomatoes, lettuce, and a bottle of milk. Kevin. Nice. In my kitchen, I had some cheese, some rice, and a lot of coffee, but I don't have any chicken or bananas. Raquel. So, what do you want to buy for yourself? Kevin. I want to buy some chicken, some bananas, and maybe some fish. Raquel. Do you have any bread and home? Kevin. Yes, I had some bread, but not a lot. Raquel. Do you have any snack? Kevin. No, I don't have any snack, so I want to buy some cookies. Raquel. What drinks do you want to buy today? Kevin. I want to buy orange juice and some soda because there is any soda at home. Raquel. I want to buy some lemonade because I don't have any at home. Kevin. Perfect. So we need vegetables, meat, chicken, bananas, cookies, some, and lemonade. Raquel. Agree. Let's go the supermarket and buy everything. Thank you.